Heather here. In this video today we are going to be talking about how to change perspective. On this image I did get a comment from someone mentioning they didn't like the perspective of this building here in the background, that it wasn't realistic. I personally don't mind how it looks. I wasn't trying to make this look super realistic because it's based on a cartoon. It's kind of more you know, illustrative, and that's kind of what I was going for, so the perspective didn't bother me. But I'm a curious cat and I want to just kind of see what it looks like with the changed perspective. So I'm gonna go to my layers here and I will turn off my layers for Kiki and the cat. Where's the cat? Cat is here. And that front roof. Okay, so here's that building here. So how you want to bring up the perspective of this building is you need to find the layer of the building. So here it is. And I'm just going to go Control T. Oh, and it's telling me like the filters are going to basically not be adjusted with that, but that's okay. I'm not going to save this. I'm just showing you guys how to change perspective. So we're going to go to Edit, Transform, and then you go up to Perspective. And then how you change perspective is, so see how this building is kind of moving further away on this side. If you want to bring this side closer, which is I think what he wanted, or what he thought needed to do, was you just kind of bring it out this way. So you just pull on the edges here. Yeah, I don't know. Here we go. So we're gonna just kind of pinch this side together because we want this side to be further away from us and this side is gonna be closer. So you just pull up to make things closer to you and pinch together to make things further away from you. You can also change the perspective by like pulling it in and out this way. And I'm just going to hit enter on that one. And let's bring back those layers of the cat and Kiki. Oh. Alright, so let's see what the before and after is. I'm gonna go into my history here. I'm just gonna take a picture. That is the before shot. That is the after the perspective shot. I like that I can see more of the buildings in the original. But I just wanted to show you guys how you can change perspective. So just to go over that again, you want to find the layer that you're working on. So say we're working on Kiki. And then you just go up to Edit, Transform, and then Perspective. Alright, so this was just a quick tutorial on how to use the Perspective Transform tool. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tutorials, DIY projects for photography studios, and all that fun stuff. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!